Car insurance. It's something every driver in America has to pay for, but almost nobody enjoys dealing with it. And every year, premiums keep rising, leaving millions of drivers frustrated. But here's the good news. Even in 2025, there are still major companies offering surprisingly cheap rates. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 cheapest car insurance companies in the United States using real, fresh data for 2025. Whether you're looking for minimum liability, full coverage, or you just want to cut your monthly expenses, this list is going to help you save real money. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, I talk about saving money, smart financial tips, and real research-based comparisons so you never overpay again. Today's topic is something everyone can relate to: car insurance. What I'm going to share today is based on national averages gathered from highly trusted sources like NerdWallet, MoneyGeek, WalletHub, Forbes Advisor, The Zebra, and more. But remember, insurance rates vary from person to person. Your zip code, your age, your driving experience, your car model, and even your credit score all influence what you pay. So take this list as a clear guide to which companies are offering the best prices overall. Your actual quote might be slightly different. Let's begin with the company that is surprising millions of drivers this year: Travelers. Travelers has emerged as one of the cheapest full-coverage insurance providers in 2025. According to NerdWallet, the median full-coverage rate is around $143 a month, which converts to about $1,700 per year. MoneyGeek's analysis shows an even lower typical rate, around $97 monthly for the same level of coverage. That's extremely competitive for a nationwide provider. One of the main reasons Travelers stays cheap is because they offer tons of useful discounts, and their network is huge, allowing them to keep costs lower than you'd expect. If you're someone who wants full coverage, including collision and comprehensive, Travelers is absolutely worth checking out. They might not be the very cheapest for minimum liability, but for full coverage, they're one of the strongest, most consistent options. Next is a name almost everyone in the US knows: Geico. Geico has built their brand around being affordable, and in 2025, they're still one of the best choices for minimum liability policies. NerdWallet ranks them around $41 per month for basic liability. MoneyGeek reports a very similar number. WalletHub also includes Geico at around $50 in several state comparisons. What makes Geico stand out is its simplicity: fast quoting, strong app features, and reliable nationwide coverage. And while their full coverage tends to be slightly higher than Travelers or USAA, their minimum liability pricing remains one of the lowest in the country. If you're a safe driver, if you don't need a lot of add-ons, or if you simply want the cheapest legally required coverage, Geico is one of the best ways to cut your monthly bill almost instantly. Now let's talk about the powerhouse of low insurance rates: USAA. Every year, USAA appears near the top, if not number one, on almost every affordability list. According to Market Watch data published by Autoblog, USAA's average yearly premium is about $1,100. Forbes Advisor lists a full coverage rate around $1,460. NerdWallet's November 2025 update shows a median of about $125 per month. Those numbers are extremely impressive. But here's the catch: USAA isn't available to everyone. It's only open to active military members, veterans, and certain military families. If you qualify, USAA gives you some of the lowest rates in the entire country, combined with world-class customer service. If you don't qualify, don't worry. The remaining companies on this list still offer very competitive pricing. Moving on, we have Nationwide. Nationwide is a favorite for drivers with clean records. According to Forbes Advisor, good drivers, meaning people with no accidents, no speeding tickets, no violations, often see average monthly premiums around $121. What makes Nationwide special is their smooth balance between affordability and customization. They offer powerful discounts for safe driving, defensive driving courses, and bundling home and auto. They also offer usage-based programs like Smart Ride, which tracks your driving habits and rewards good behavior with deep discounts. If you consider yourself a careful driver and want a company that recognizes that, Nationwide can give you some of the best prices without compromising on coverage quality. Finally, we have Progressive, a company that has earned a strong reputation for being flexible and affordable, especially for drivers who don't have a perfect record. WalletHub reports average rates around $61 a month for their baseline comparison. The Zebra describes Progressive as one of the few major insurers that stays reasonably priced even for slightly higher risk drivers. Forbes Advisor highlights that even after a DUI, Progressive's rates remain more affordable than many competitors, around $207 monthly. Obviously, that's still high, but compared to other companies in that scenario, Progressive is far more forgiving. The reason many people like Progressive is because of the freedom to customize. You can choose exactly what you want, adjust deductibles, and even use their Name Your Price tool to find a plan that matches your budget. So, what does all this mean for you? The truth is, the cheapest insurance company for one person may be totally different for someone else. These rankings are based on national averages. Your actual quote depends heavily on where you live, your age, your credit score, and your driving history. But the companies in this list consistently show up as some of the most affordable providers in the United States. If you want to lower your car insurance bill in 2025, the smartest thing you can do is simple. Compare rates. Use tools like NerdWallet, Insurify, or the Zebra. Get at least 3 or 4 quotes because switching companies can sometimes save you hundreds of dollars a year. And don't forget to update your information. Marriage, moving to a new zip code, improving your credit score, or even your car getting older can suddenly qualify you for cheaper rates. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more real research-based money-saving tips, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future guides. And let me know in the comments which insurance company gave you the best quote this year. Your experience can help thousands of people watching this video. Thanks for being here. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.